All right, now, how do you print on Google Docs? Well, that's the last two items in the file menu on Google Docs. So print preview is simply, let's just see if it's going to look right. Let's just see if it's formatted right. It'll give you a preview of what the file is going to look like when it prints. And if it looks good to you, you can then hit print and print the file. That's what print preview does. If it's not right, you come back, edit it, and then you go file, print preview again. If you're ready to print, there are two ways to print. You can simply click on file, right here, file, and then go down to print. And that will send it to your printer. My computer's not hooked up to a printer, so you're not going to see it actually print. You could also push Command P on a Mac, Command P on a PC, Control P. That will send it to the printer. One more time, it's a shortcut. On a Mac, you hold down Command and hit P for print, and on a PC, you hold down Control and hit P for print. Or a third way to print, there's a nifty little printer button right here. Hover over that, it'll tell you that it's the printer, and click print. So there are the three ways of how to print on Google Docs.